alcohol. This is also part of freedom, because we don't have a freedom, then we cannot take anything. But right now we have a freedom. That's why we are taking alcohols. We are taking wine as we as our choice, as we whenever we need to do it. Definitely it is bad, but it is a part of freedom.
Yeah, in Indian culture, it's believed in a traditional custom and family values, and it is also emphasis of their traditional and their own religion, language, and so in Indian culture we get more appreciate for others because it is very appreciable culture. But
Yeah.
in Western culture, it's only believed on and it get freedom, but it is not good because many children are addicted to some to drinking and their parents are not allowed, but children do that on their decision.
Yeah, you see that Indian culture, that is in the joint family, that we are living in a joint family, that is good. But we have seen in the COVID-19, the condition was not good in the society, and most of the elder person was facing more problem due to the joint family. Because in the joint family, definitely we have seen in the society, in the Indian cultures, a lot of joint family are living, but all are not happy because of they don't earn amount of money what they need. That's why in the Western cultures, all are living in separate. That is a good things, because what we need, just we earn that amount of money and just we spend. But in the traditional Indian culture, just we have to earn money and we have to spend all of them in a joint family. That is not good, and we cannot fulfill our dream because we are living in joint family. We have to give the money what we are earning to everyone, and in the Western culture, that's we earn and we spend on myself, on ourselves. That is a good for us. That's why I like Western.
But in Indian culture, some people are not earning money, so helps other people. But in a Western culture, some people fall in a bad situation, so nobody can help them. It is bad.
Indian culture have more is a sati pratha and vidwa who widows are not wear a colorful cloth and they are cut in Indian culture they are cut her hair and they can't enter in soup come like vivah and another things they are not good and Western culture have not like this pratha sati and we are more happy with Western culture.
But in Indian culture, there are so much different cloth like sari, langa, suit. But in Western culture, only
every day we can't wear
we can wear a suit and jeans.
Yeah, but every day we can't wear langa, this type of dresses.
But in
But Western culture, there is a soft dresses that we can wear in day-to-day life. But langa, that is a Indian tradition, we know that, and sari, this type of thing. But this is just like we wear in the fashion, in the party, in the any ceremony. At that time it is good, but not every day we can wear the langa. Every day what we wear, that is the Western dresses, that suit us, and most of the Indian person and most of the other person also follow it and to wear Western dresses.
In Western culture, people do not take care of their parents. The concept of old age home is increasing day by day. So they consider as their parents as the old furniture. So how you think about it? The person who are giving birth to you, you are thinking that is the old furniture.
When we look the ratio of that person, when we look the ratio Western culture as well as Indian culture, we can find a lot of person facing in the Indian cultures, because definitely in the right now in India there is also
Increase.
it is increasing, and there is a one ashram like that where old person is live. It is also increasing, and I think in Indian culture it is increasing, and Western culture it is, but it is less compared to Indian culture.
It is no. In Western countries, there is lots of number of old age home established. It will be low in. How can it, sir? This was the culture, na. So you have to maintain way of how do you improve your communication? How do you improve your how to talk with elders?
But actually, what happened when we look at Indian culture, parents, what we learn from the parents. Parents are also following the Indian culture, and we learn from the parents how to respect to other person. But in the Western culture, this tradition is not happening. That's why in the Western person, parents as well as children, they are since childhood they are not following this type of things, how to respect and how to do these things. That's why it is not in the Western culture. Definitely, there is a different culture. That's why we are talking about Western culture. And
Indian culture values. You know that Atithi Deva Bhava is considered from ancient time. The Indian culture, Indian people are think that their relatives are their god. That was the thing not developed in Western culture.
yeah, this is a concept of about communication. But when we look the right thing of Western, that we are also adopted the Western education also. Since when British was ruling over India, at that time also we adopted the Western education. That we got the new technology, new science, and when we look new innovation that we adopted, that is also come from the Western culture. That is a new innovation that gives a more employment in the countries, and that gives a more innovative ideas. That is a good for the society, and it is the main thing that we adopted from the Western culture.
All peoples have go in out of country and leave where because they are more technology and more job available, friends education, and they are live happily live in our own family.
So you say that. So how people? So why people will be migrate? Will be change to Western culture to Indian culture? Foreigner why change? That was you say that the things what they developed in development will be increasing in Western culture. So why people change Western culture to Indian culture?
But most of people in India grow up in Western culture and Western culture, yes. And in a Western society, most of people 10% people go in Sanatani in Indian culture.